with how to do this video because it's an advent calendar video, but I want to have fun with this and actually like enjoy them, but I also want to share them with you. So we're going to do this step by step. I don't know quite how yet. We're going to figure it out on our way. So these are, if you, my husband's in a meeting and he's anyway, so if you can't tell, these are advent calendars. These are both from Aldi's. These are the ones they had when I went. They didn't have more, unfortunately. I couldn't find the cheese, couldn't find the socks. I did almost get an advent calendar at BJ's, but I changed my mind. I was like, you know what? I don't need this. I don't need this. These are both items though that I know I will use. I do not need 24 days of beauty products. I have enough beauty products. And so it worked out well for me. So we have, this is the Moser and Roth Countdown to Happiness with delicious Belgian chocolates, luxury 3D pop-up advent calendar. I don't remember how much this was. I think I'll try to put it down below. I think it was like $13 or something like that. It's light, it's a cute box. I was very excited to see it. They do have really amazing chocolate at Aldi's, like hands down, no doubt, very good stuff. It's inexpensive, which is the best part. That's my favorite number. It's free, which is not free, but you know. Anyway, so this one though is their candle advent calendar. So this baby is heavy. It's tied. It's beautiful. This would make a great gift. However, I gifted it to me. I haven't bought any of the Aldi's candles lately because I knew I had this. Now today is November 30th, so I knew I had to make this video. I've been kind of putting it off because I didn't know how I was going to do it. So right now we're just talking now about them. And so what we'll do is we'll open it and see how it goes, right? Sound fair? I'm not going to eat any of this chocolate today. I'm going to save it for tomorrow. All right? Are we making a deal? I want to make a deal. Sound good? Sound good. All right. So here we go. Oh, it's so beautiful. So look, it's so cute. All right, I'm gonna open. Okay, I'm gonna open one, and then I'm gonna close it because I'm gonna open it tomorrow and I'm gonna eat it anyway. So I'm gonna show you guys the chocolate. But I love this. It's just perfect. All right, so I guess we just go. No. Oh no, yeah, they're numbered. I wasn't sure if they were at first, but they definitely are. You can hardly see here, but they definitely have numbers next to them. I'll try to take a picture and insert it. So I'll find one. Maybe one day. Oh, I found it. Okay, so I'm not gonna touch it. I can't touch it. All right, guys, it's in there. That's the chocolate. So that's how that one works. If you were lucky enough to get it, I'm proud of you and happy for you. I don't think you can get them anymore. Maybe you still can. I did go last week I went to Aldi's and they did still have a candle advent. So you might be able to still find them, and probably honestly on clearance. But all right, so this one, I can't believe I've managed not to look inside this yet. I'm just saying willpower, guys. All right. Oh, yay. These are the ones. So we can look at this whole calendar because they are the kind of little drawers that pull out. So the numbers are not in order. So we'll just go, we'll do it together. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I can find one. Okay, so one is right here. Please don't break. They don't have lids. So this is mulberry and vanilla. These are tea lights, which I don't hate. I mean, I don't know what I expected. It smells good. I love all these candles. I should probably say that before, you know, I ever open this, but I just do. All right. 2. I know there's going to be a pine in here. I can't stand pine scents, but I know it'll be here. Caramel and ginger cookie. It smells very good. Not necessarily my style, but it does smell good. All right. My hand's itchy right here. You see me like rubbing it. I'm like, oh, it's so itchy. All right. I hope they don't repeat. That would really stink. No pun intended. All right. So this is winter pine and eucalyptus. That one I'm going to have to not burn. I'll pass that off. It's everybody has a smell that they can't take, you know? The fourth one is the Hot Toddy. Oh, it smells so good. It's like a plum smell. Oh, I like that. 5 is right here. I love the different colors. This is spiced orange. By the way, I think this was a $30 advent calendar, which isn't too bad. I like this. I love that. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Right here. Ugh. Ugh. Sometimes it helps to be dramatic. This is cherry amaretto. Ooh, that's nice. I don't know that I would call that a Christmas scent, but okay. All right, 7. They really did a good job of jumbling these babies up. 'Cause I can't find any of them. All right. Ooh. Eggnog. Why is it black? That's weird. Not my favorite smell ever, but I also don't like eggnog, so it's got just like a nutmeggy, cinnamony. All right, 8. Old Fashioned. That's nice. It's got like a vanilla creamy smell. I always associate vanilla with like cream. I don't know why. I think I'm the only one that does that because every time I say that to people, I also associate almonds with cherries. Like almonds always smell like cherries and cherries always, and taste, I guess too. And when I tell people that, they're like, what? I'm like, you don't think so? And they're like, no. And then I feel dumb, but that's okay, I guess. All right, then we have Snowdrops. I love that. That's nice. It's fresh, it's clean. Where's my 11? All right, here we go. This is Firewood. Oh, that's interesting. It's like very masculine. And I wouldn't even call it like a scent, more it is a smell. All right, where's my 12? That's 21, not 12. All right, here we go. Wow, they were really creative because this is a lot they got to come up with, different smells. Apricot and oud, which you're not familiar with oud, it's a wood. This is really nice. I like this. I don't know that I would call this a Christmas smell, but it's definitely a deeper, you know what I mean? I could see it being a winter scent. All right, I just saw 13 here, right here. Getting there, guys. Getting there. All right, this is red currant and cream. I don't love that, but it's too like fruity, like too bright. But I'm sure lots of people love it, so I'm not trying to be that brat. I don't have to like them all. I bought an advent calendar. I don't anticipate liking everyone. All right, so this is green ivy. Oh, I love this. This is not something I would call Christmassy, but I love it. It smells good. 15. Right here is amber and winter fir. So jury's out on if winter fir is going to be like pine, where it gives me a headache, so I don't know. I like that. I'll burn it to see, but I think it might give me a headache. There's something in those that just, as soon as it's lit, I'm like, oh yeah, no. 16 is clove, which I love it. It smells wonderful. I wonder too if these are going to have the same scent throw that the Aldi's candles do have already. I don't know if they'll be the same quality. I'll let you guys know as the month progresses. This is Winter Woods. This I love. Oh wow, my daughter's home already from school. Oh, it's like a mask. I love masculine like scents. They're just my fave. This is perfect. I love it. All right. 18. This is pomegranate and sandalwood. That's nice. It's very mild. 19 is freesia and pear. It's very, very mild. I can tell like at the end they're probably running out of ideas. Like, what the hell? They need to consult with Bath and Body Works because they have everything. Almond and macaron. Oh, see, it smells like cherries to me, but it's almond. Isn't that funny? I just talked about that. I really do. If you also feel similarly, could you please tell me down below? I am honestly curious if I'm the only human in existence that puts those two together, but I feel like I might be. Because every time I say it, people are like, what? That's so weird. All right, 21. Bergamot and oud. So this is, what was the other? Apricot. So apparently citrus fruits. Oh, I love this. One of my very favorite scents from Febreze is the wood. And that's, they use like an oud scent in it. I love it. Oh, it's just like, I don't know. There's something about it. All right, 22. We're very close to the end, guys. Peppermint Snowdrop. Oh, that's nice. Definitely a Christmas scent like that. And it's nice, it's mild, it's not overwhelming. Let's go to 23. Right here is 23. It is spiced berries. Ooh, I like that. That's nice. I don't know what I would call those different smells, but I guess they're spiced berries. I don't think I would call them spiced berries, but sure. All right, that's what we're going with. There's probably like 5 different smells in here. They just rename them, and like because your mind doesn't know the different notes that well, you're like, oh sure, yep, that sounds good. All right, we have smoke and cedar. This I love. I like cedar. That one I can take. This is beautiful. And then 25. What is 25? I wonder what the day of 25 is going to be. Winter Wishes. Oh, it's a gingerbready, cinnamony, nutmeggy, baked. Good smell, and I like it. All right, so usually at the end of the video I go, well, we had this and this and this and this, but I don't know what the hell I just said to you guys for the past 10 minutes, so we're just gonna guess and say there's 25 candles in here, each of which smell pretty good for the most part, and I'm excited to start opening them up tomorrow and burning them all over my house. Just kidding. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I think this video went okay, better than I thought. And then I have also chocolate for myself because why not? Yeah, so yeah, all these advent calendars, hit them up. Isle of Shame, they got all the good stuff. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.